Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the lowdown on whether they're worth your hard-earned cash. Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers with a review of the Dualit Air Fryer. Let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with an overview of the Dualit Air Fryer. Now, you might know Dualit for their top-notch toasters and kettles, but they've dipped their toes into the world of air frying, and boy, did they make a splash. This sleek, mid-sized air fryer boasts a 5.5-liter capacity, making it perfect for couples or small families. Now, let's talk design and features. The Dualit Air Fryer sports a wide, squat shape that sets it apart from its competitors. Its footprint is almost square, providing ample cooking space for all your culinary creations. Plus, with a textured black finish and touchscreen controls, it's as stylish as it is functional. But how does it perform in the kitchen? Well, let me tell you, this air fryer doesn't disappoint. With 7 preset programs and a manual mode, you've got plenty of options to whip up everything from crispy French fries to juicy steaks. And thanks to its 1700W power, it tackles each task with ease, delivering consistently delicious results every time. Now, let's break it down with the pros and cons. On the plus side, we've got those 7 preset programs, a spacious cooking area, and dishwasher-safe components. However, it's worth noting that this air fryer might not be suitable for larger households due to its size, and it does take up a bit of space on your countertop. So, should you invest in the Dualit Air Fryer? In my opinion, absolutely. While it might be a bit pricier than some budget options, its stellar performance and ease of use make it well worth the investment. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or preparing a family dinner, this air fryer has got you covered. And there you have it, folks, our review of the Dualit Air Fryer. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts. Until next time, happy cooking!